is the world's largest data visualization community. We've been used by quite a lot of people, and since we launched about a year ago, or 2 years ago, there's been 1.5 million infographics created by our users. And last month we reached 7 million unique visitors. So I'll give you a little insight on how Infogram looks like. So you pick a pre-designed theme, you double-click on objects to edit them, you add your data, and you have interactive infographic ready for publishing online in just about 2 minutes. And people are doing that quite a lot. There's been between 10 and 20,000 infographics being created every day, and that number just goes up. Now, look how gorgeous it looks, and you don't need to be a designer to make those beautiful infographics and data visualizations. So we've recently got a lot of attention from the industry. We've been named the best startup overall in the Next Web competition to get a gold prize from Information is Beautiful, and among other we've been used by a vast majority of online media. Now, I'm here to tell you about what is next for Infogram. So, as LeWeb is about doing some demos, I'm going to do a demo, but as the thing I'm showing you is still in production, is launching early next year, that's going to be a video. So, there is one type of infographics that's very complex to create and very expensive. It's videos. So if you ever want to do data video, it will take you about a week or two. For the professional design agency, it will cost you a couple of thousands of euros. And I'm going to show you how in a couple of months, Infogram is going to revolutionize the way you work with data forever. We are launching the world's first video infographics creator. And I'm just showing you how we're making a video infographic about LeWeb. So you just simply add some objects. It's running like double speed, so it doesn't take so much time. So you just load some images and data, and you press publish, and here you got a result. So a quick infographic about LeWeb. So LeWeb is about people meeting people and networking, and according to estimations we did, it was about 16.7 thousand people that has met in LeWeb over the last 10 years. It would take you about 32 Airbus 380 flights to get those people here, or it equals 3 hours and 42 minutes of Nyan Cat video traffic globally. So just a quick demo on what you could do in Infogram in just a couple of months, and that's absolutely free. Now, coming to the business model, as it is today with Infogram, we'll also provide a premium service for people and brands, you can always have custom design infograms. You can always download those video infographics, and that's going to cost you a certain subscription money. But the basic intro, the basic package for video infographics is going to be free. Any questions?
Only in that you surprised us that you came to your conclusion so quickly. Come on over here so we can give you that. We'll give you this microphone. And I think just clarify again for us, because I heard you say free. I wondered how there's a business behind what you're doing. What's the business model again for the business?
So everything currently in Infogram, everything you put in Infogram online and publish and show to everyone on the web is free. Everything you share is a limited number of people, privately download, and take out of Infogram is subscription.
So if I want to make a presentation, if I want to do a business presentation using Infogram, I pay for it. If I want to create a presentation that I put on the web, it's free.
So if you want to present it publicly online, it's free.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to download, it's paid.
OK, makes sense. Other questions? Evan.
Very cool. I look forward to the new video project. The stats now, so how many users and how often are they making infograms these days?
So we have about 1 million people using Infogram today. And as I mentioned, they're making between 10 and 20,000 infographics every day. Monthly active, a couple of 100,000.
And active is how many infogram?
How many infographics?
Per month, yeah.
Per month.
For an active user.
I have to do some mathematics, and that's like a few 100,000.
So my question was, I get why this is cool. I'm excited about it, just like the other judges. You want to make money of the business user. Do you have any business users at the moment, and have they told you that they're looking for this product?
We do have several companies having about 100 licenses, yes.
So, and what does a license provide to a corporation? What are they typically paying for those licenses?
For larger teams, like editorial teams, for instance, and we provide, so for larger brands, we provide custom design, and for editorial teams, is just basically working on this branded stuff.
Okay. Okay. Other questions, Philippe?
What is your vision about the product roadmap going forward? Because it looks like you've created a very interesting point solution to solve a problem. I mean, every company I know needs at some point to create something like this, but as was said, they don't need to create thousands of them per year. And so now that you have this anchor point where you have access to some of the marketers or designer in the companies, how do you keep them on your application, help them do more with their project? I mean, how do you envision the roadmap going forward to create more of a platform to enlarge your market?
Well, I would disagree that people are not making thousands of them every year. They're making quite a lot of them. So for larger users, like teams, they're really making hundreds of infographics every month. And for students, they are visualizing study process. They are using that on daily basis in classrooms. So it becomes a commodity because it's so easy.
Do you think this is a product that might take the place of a PowerPoint type of thing? Is it really people seeing this as a much more attractive way to present information? So you might take some market share from those kinds of traditional presentation applications?
Oh, we certainly compete with PowerPoint, yes.
Okay, good. Other questions here?
Sorry to insist on my question, but you didn't really answer my question. My question is, so let me phrase it in a different way. Are you just going to do this, or do you have other things on the roadmap to enlarge the product?
Infogram is a data visualization company. What we have in our vision is to make data visualization accessible for everyone. And we think that the world's a better place if people work with data and they use data in proper ways. And we will always find the most innovative forms to bring data visualization to masses. Is that the answer to your question?
Yeah, so what you're saying is you want to become a broader data visualization platform, and this is just one part of it.
This is the part of what we did. So 2 years ago, we were the world's first do-it-yourself infographics creator. We are the clear market leader still since the beginning when we launched. We're the first ones to launch the video infographics now, and we'll certainly have a lot of really cool ideas apart from these. And we're working on things for the future as well.
Thank you.
Good.
So I think one of the questions my esteemed colleagues have, and I have as well, is paint us a picture how this is going to be $1 billion business and not a really cool small business.
Well, we are doubling our user base every quarter. We really don't see that as a limit. If you take similar companies, let's say Prezi, which is having, I think, 25 million users currently, we are growing twice as fast.
All right. Well, with that, we have come to the end of the time, even including the extra time you gave us back. So thank you very much. Good luck to you, and continue good luck as you grow the business. Thank you.